Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Today we're going to check out a Drifters classic. This is Save the Last Dance for me. Do watch out for where the chords change here, because some of them aren't exactly where you might suspect. If you're really familiar with the song, you probably won't even notice that they're not in the usual place. Okay, it's one of those ones where knowing the song really well and knowing how the melody goes and where the chords are going to change, if you've listened to the tune a lot, you'll do it quite naturally. If you're used to hearing chords in 4 and 8 bar groups, some of these are a little bit like, oh, it's changed in a bit of a funny spot there, so do be aware of that one if this is not a super familiar song for you. Really nice one. I'm going to use my thumb to strum this one just to keep it nice and mellow. Just going to be using Old Faithful, down, down, up, up, down. But you can also use a pick. It's a really nice tune for using picked finger style, where you pick out some of the notes, still with that same rhythm that you'd use for down, down, up, down, but playing the bass note on beat 1 and then picking some individual strings with the rest of the rhythm. But I'll do a little bit of that later on in the tune. So let's have a go. I really hope you enjoy this Guitaraoke style thing. If you do, please do go and check out my beginner song course app available for Android and iOS. There are hundreds of songs and it's really great for beginners to start exploring different patterns while keeping their rhythm consistent. Having the backing track there, having the melody played as well, for those of you that don't sing, is a real nice thing. Helps you to keep track of where you are in the song. Really great beginner tool for learning to play guitar. I'm not just doing the big sell on you. I'll try not to do all of that. You can just use these play along videos and jam along with this too. You know, that works. But it's such a great thing. There's so many other little elements to the app, being able to change the speed if it's a bit fast, being able to change the capo position to suit your voice if you don't want the melody there. You just want to use the drums and the bass in the app and then do the rest yourself. You know, a lot of cool features there for people who want some backing help to play along with. Anyway, if you're over on YouTube, please do subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. And if you are over there, do click the link in the description to head over on the website. It's awesome for beginners. All of my lessons are all structured by difficulty, so you can easily find lessons that apply to your level of playing. Hopefully, I'll see you for plenty more very soon. You take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.